Oops, I don't want to see my mail. I don't want to see that. I did, I put on, if you ever use PC or CC Cleaner the other day on my computer, and of course I did a cleaning of all the files I don't need and stuff like that. The problem with that is it cleans up your computer real nice, and it's free. But it also whacks out all your links. So I had to go in and type in all the numbers and everything to get you guys onto the right Zoom page and all that kind of stuff so that it pops up. Okay, in review here, we got this Barely Airlines flies to the 4 cities, 4 different prices. These, again, are the econ price of a seat. So those 24 seats that we have in the back of the plane, these are the prices to fly on one of those. Then, depending on where you sit in the plane, you can opt, if you stay in economy, that's the price. If you go to first class, it's 4 times that. So to fly first class to Lickskillet from, let's say, Peoria is $1,000, right? 4 times 250, 1,200 to Toadsuck. And then if you want to fly business class, it's just 2 times. Okay. So understand that. But we do have meals on the old Barely Aviation. So we established, like we had in the theater, we established our variables out here. With the exception here, this time we have a 2-dimensional array that can store 2 things about each passenger. And basically what we're going to store is their name and what are they going to eat. Okay. So then we have the check change thing here. And I think that's where we let's load. I see. What happened here? That's something goofy here. This is just in the wrong spot. Control X that. Move it down here by our form load. And redo it up above too, and then I'll just change the name. I'll just redo it here and then just change the name what it is. I see. Okay, and so we got that, CBO destinations, we got that. This. Was CBO destinations. Index change. And that's just setting where we're going to fly. Remember, we only have 1 airplane. And once we start selling seats, we can't sell them to any place else. Because our plane only flies to 1 place at a time. So once we have that, let's go ahead and run it once and see, make sure everybody's program works up to this point. Hopefully. Uh-oh. Bunch of warnings. I know that. Okay, so what we'll want to do is they have to pick one of those. And it puts up where they're going up in the main, in the toolbar here. And then, of course, they can buy seats, maybe. What happened? Oh, I haven't programmed anything in there. Well, that's okay. There is one thing I want to. Okay, so also in the form load, we're going to go ahead and let's do this. This control enabled equals false. Anybody know why I might want to do that? Somebody give me an answer. Why might I want to turn the seats off right away before it starts? George, you got an idea for me? No? Anybody
Is it
else?
so they can't start buying them before they pick the flight?
Who said that?
Chris.
Chris, you're right. How can I sell seats if they don't know where they're going yet? Right? So I don't want to turn the seats on until they pick. So we're going to go down now. Let me turn this back. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Not that I'm going to use it all. I'm just going to use it to go through. So I'm going to copy this code and go down into the 3BO destination, okay? And underneath our, where we had the false thing down here, we're going to turn that off. And at that point, we'll turn the seats back on. So we don't need this. We'll change this to true. Oops. And then we'll just get everything else there. And we'll test that. Okay, so I'm going to save and run it. Now, you can see here, I can't even click on them. But once I pick, I'm going to go somewhere. Now you can see that actually, when I do click on them, they're lighting up. Okay? Everybody understand why we did that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Put here. Oh, I'm in the wrong language. Okay, so we got that. La, 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 la. All right, I think we're good there. So let's go to over back. You should have your little feeder open. So if you don't, do that, please. We'll do this a little bit at a time. Know what I'm going to do here, I think. Go down. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this whole thing inside your check change from the little feeder. I'm going to Control C it and copy it over into my right underneath.